Welcome, good afternoon. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question, question number 59. The same instruction is used in this question. We are looking out for the option that entails the given symbol, and the given symbol is E. Take note, the first thing you must identify when you come in contact with symbol is it short or long. So the given symbol here is short E sound. Remember that we have the long E symbol. This is the long E symbol, and the given option A here is pronounced as bread. So there is no E sound here, it's air sound. The option B is pronounced as head. Head. The TH did not sound as t. Option C is pronounced as leaf. Long E, that is what we have here. Option D is pronounced as paint. 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 Option D is pronounced as print. Print. So in option E we have short E as in the given symbol. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.